I missed the doubleheader. Here we go. I can't believe I missed a doubleheader. Frick.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, Western Orange County, Eastern Guilford County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McLeansville, or 10 miles west of Burlington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Burlington, Graham, Hillsborough, Mebane, Elon, McLeansville, Gibsonville, Haw River, and Swepsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly.